He's just sitting there in his little bluff, minding his own business. Oh, there was another one right there. I didn't even know he was right next to me. Last one. There he goes. Dude. Oh, no, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. Oh, dude. These birds.
Oh my God, there's another one. He's like around that grass puddle.
Dude, this is insane.
Look, see where that little grass is?
Yeah.
See the little black?
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Yeah.
There he is.
That looks like a parrot. That's a bird. Look there.
Yep, he's jumping. We're so close. Wow.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah. So what do you feel about these birds hanging out on your property without paying rent?